You know, you see this thing of a righteousness that comes from faith. It is, you have to really, really like believe it completely. Doubt. That's why even when you pray something to God, never doubt him. Even me, I can say for sure, ever since I've really grown in this thing of salvation, sai maombi yangu mingi si nipe. I'm even scared of asking. Why? Because sometimes not sometimes, anytime I ask God for anything, he doesn't give me what I really ask for. He gives me even more than I ask for. Plus, when he gives me, it comes with more, it comes with a lesson, it comes with, paka, hata imefika mahali, I'm like, okay, God, hata mi hata naogopa kukuomba vitu because, at this point, I'm scared. What's the next lesson itatoka wapi? What's the next, okay, what for sure, I have come for sure to even see my heart doing every time I'm in the presence of God, is I'm thanking him. Kwanza ile yenye kubwa kabisa is for salvation. For saving me bwana. Hiyo ndo the greatest. Hata even when what hata kitambo used to pray ati thank God for food, thank you for clothes, thank you for shelter, thank you. Ni vitu ni za maana, but when you grow you come to realize, above everything it is God. Enyewe I thank him for salvation. Because what you get in Christ, nothing can compare to it. Tuendelee. Did you not pour me out like milk and cuddle me like cheese, clothe me with skin and flesh, and knit me together with bones and sinews?